Good everyone. I hope you guys have an amazing day. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to briefly touch upon distributor discount. We talked about the partners discount in the last episode, right? So the distributor discount, right? It actually helps you to apply an extra discount to your codes and your code lines based on your opportunities distributors. So, I mean, it's pretty simple, right? You don't have to worry much about it. So, what happens is that, admins can manually define a percentage for this field. Like that's a distributor discount. I'll show you where the field is. Um, or if they want, they can create a workflow rule that automatically provides a value based on the code's distributor field, right? So it's pretty simple because usually Salesforce CPQ, right? It takes care of it behind the scenes because Salesforce CPQ applies distributed discount to the code's partner price when the code um line price is calculated. So, and this result, the result of this calculation, right, is often applied to the code line net unit price. Okay, so it's pretty simple. So what I'll do, right? I'll go to a code, right? And so if you remember that in the last episode, I applied the partner discount and I choose the products, and we talked about the waterfall, the price fall model, right? So if you have a partner discount and all the other discount comes first, then the partner discount get applied later, and then after that, uh, you know. Um, if you apply a distributor discount, so it applies on top of the partner discount. So what I'll do, I will go to edit, yeah, and I will say I will just choose the distributor. So we have a partner discount and we have a distributor discount, right? Like it clearly says that distributor discount applies to the code unless overridden on the item level. You can override it, but that's another choice because uh, sometimes business do want this to be overridden based on whatever the requirement they have in place. But for now, just to keep it simple, so we're just going to apply at the code level. So what I've done, I've used this distributor discount at 15% and the partner discount at 10%. Okay, so it's pretty simple. So what I'll do, I'll go to edit lines and and I will add a product and I will apply um, uh, all the discount, and then I'll show you the way it's applied. So I'll choose here. Okay, so now you can see that it's 114.75 because the reason why, so it's applied the partner discount first, right? 150, 15, sorry, 10% of 150. That is, we get 15 bucks, right? So you subtract the 15 bucks, so you get 135. So you are applying 15% on 135, and then you pretty much get this one, right? So what I'll do, I will apply, change the quantity to 4, okay? So when that happens, you remember we have a discount schedule in place where I applied a slab-based discount, right? So I will do a calculate and explain to you how the calculation works behind the scene. So, okay, so now how do you get this 43605, right? So what I'll do, so we have calculator, okay? So I will open this, the discount schedule. Okay, so let me minimize it. So this is a slab based discount, so anything 3 and above, okay? So that means we are gonna get discount when we talk about the slab discount for 2 products. So that means, and it's a 10%, I presume, right? Okay, so 10%. So that means we were gonna get discount on 2. So 150 times 2, that's 300. So we will get a discount on a 10%. Let me do that here. So you have 600 bucks, right? And out of 600 bucks, that's split into 4 parts, right? Each quantity is worth 150 bucks, right? So now we're gonna apply discount on the 2 products, so it will be 300. So 10% of it, so we will get 570, right? Okay. Now we have partner discount which get applied on top of it. So the 570, 10% is 57. So which is going to get the 57, right? All right. Now we have 15% distributor discount. So we're going to do times 15. Yes, 7695, right? And so divided by 100. Okay. Now we're going to see, what was that? 5 and 3 something, right? So 436.5, right? So that's how the distributor discount works. I hope it's clear. It's pretty simple, right? So you calculate all the, I mean, you can change the order. If you remember the last time I said you can apply the partner discount first and then the other discount later. But just to keep it simple, just, if you're just following the waterfall model, so all the discounts get applied first and the partner discount, then on top of it, if you have a distributor discount in place, it get applied, right? So this is a very commonly used scenario. Most of the companies I've seen, especially when I've done a CPQ implementation in the past, I've seen that they've used something similar this way. So yeah, so this is a pretty simple concept, right? Usually the distributor discount and the partner discount often gets applied when you are, when some other company wants to sell your product, right? So obviously you wanted to give more discount compared to the discount you often give to your customer, right? So yeah, that's pretty much I wanted to cover in this episode. So that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing Sunday. Adios.